All right, here we are. It's 5 o'clock. This is my first live Facebook video. I'm so excited. Can you see? I got my Close to My Heart new consultant kit. And this is the Celebrate Life April 2018 stamp of the month. This is only available for 2 more days. At the end of the month, this one is no longer available. You can get it for $17.95 or $5 with a $50 purchase. It expires April the 30th. I have the link right here, clayslibrarian.ctmh.com. All right, I'm going to open it up. Here we go. I'm going to open it up. Oh, okay. I did cover my address because I didn't think anyone really needed to see my address. Hi, Allie. Thanks for watching. This is the welcome to our family. Congratulations on becoming a Close to My Heart consultant. So there's a nice welcome letter. Underneath that, there is a, oh, how pretty, note from Jeanette, the mission statement, your story, display me. Okay, this is a little crazy because I don't have anything to hold my phone for my camera. So it's a Close to My Heart independent consultant that I can display. Spend me. If you decide to become a consultant in this month, they have there's a special offer. You get $50 of Close to My Heart cash to spend on products so you can get your business started, because obviously you need products in order to make some amazing cards and scrapbooking pages. Okay, so let me set that aside. The next thing we have, Make It From Your Heart. This is volume 3, Make It From Your Heart. Hi, Christine. I'm just going through the contents of my new consultant kit from Close to My Heart, volume 3, and it comes with this beautiful Everyday Life album in Bashful. Bashful is the color of the year. So I'll be able to put my instructions on how to create the cards. They give you everything so you can have patterns for how to make your cards. The annual inspiration, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 copies of the annual inspirations, which is good through July 2018. And one of the things that I really like about it, if you're not sure what kind of crafter you are, or if you have friends and they're not sure what kind of crafter they are, they have a little page right here that you can say, where do I start? Are you a card maker? Are you a scrapbooker? Are you a paper crafter? And then it'll help guide you, because there's so many products. It will help guide you to the products that will get you started right away. So let me set that aside. The next thing in the kit is Operation Smile, Roundup to Change the Life of a Child. This is the charity that Close to My Heart works, gives to, donates to, and as a consultant or a customer, you can round up the amount of your bill, and you can donate that to help change the smile in the life of a child. All right, the next thing over here is, oh, this is the bonus also. If you are not a consultant, Bob, hi, thanks for watching. I'm going through the contents of the kit, and this is a special offer that is just for this month. If you sign up to be a consultant in the month of April, then you will get the stamp of the month for May, June, July, and August for free. Let me see if I can, I'm going to put this down for just a second so I can take these out. That's not very good for a live video. but bear with me, this is the first time. And I will eventually get a stand. So this is the May stamp of the month, and you can only buy the stamp of the month during the month that it's offered: June, July, and August. And hi Janice, thanks for watching. Let me show you the stamp of the month that is for April. Is 2 more days. It is the one, I love it because it's the message that I give my students all the time. Always be kind and respectful, and I want them to celebrate life. Hi Calvin, this is my new consulting kit for Close to My Heart. This is where you can get the stamp of the month for April, or find out more information about Close to My Heart. Glazed Librarian at .ctmh.com. All right, so we went through, these are, and this offer ends for April, the 4 are free, and the value of these is $17.95 each, so you're getting an additional bonus for becoming a consultant in April. All right, this is another pack of goodies. Let me see if I can get this open. It comes with adhesive and an acrylic block, because all of your stamps, you put them on an acrylic block. Guadalupe, hi, thanks for watching. You get petite perks, 3 of these. Leave a little sparkle wherever you go. I love that. And then you get a sample of, it's really hard to know if it's an online company and you are not around people that are part of the company. It's really great to have this color wheel, the cardstock sample, and a sample of all of the colors, so that you can tell the quality and you can show your friends the quality of each of the materials that they would be able to purchase. And this is the color wheel 6x6, and it comes with a little ring to attach it, so you can take that with you. The non-stick micro tip scissors comes with the charcoal exclusive inks, and these are the magnetic cases, so the case snaps right back on. It's magnetic. And this is another acrylic stamp that is just for consultants, so I'm excited to get to use that one as well. And these are Seasonal Expressions 2. This is a paper sampler. These colors, these papers are going to be available to customers starting on May 1st, so that would be on Tuesday. So I get a sneak peek at them. And also the Seasonal Expressions, it comes with everything that so you can get started, so you don't have to make an additional purchase, and you get a good idea. And in the Seasonal Expressions catalog, it shows you ideas and tips on how to improve your card making or your scrapbooking. So let's see, it comes with 4 of these Seasonal Expressions. Let me move those out of the way. A flyer for business cards, business supplies. It comes with customer order form and invoice. Comes with, let me move these out of the way, Close to My Heart custom combo pack, 20 sheets of 12 by 12 paper. So like I said, it gives you something to get started with, so you can open your volume 3, make it from your heart. It has patterns inside for how to cut the paper, to create the designs, and then you add your own touches to it to make it your own. And let's see what else. Don't you love all this little fun? A desk pad. Close to my heart. Desk pad for notes and measuring. All right, that is the contents of my new consultant kit. Hi, Carrie. Thank you for watching. And this is the stamp of the month for April that will only be available for 2 more days. Always be kind. Celebrate life. And I can't wait. I had to open this because I wanted to use the stamps and make some cards, and I'm really excited to get started. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments. This is the link, glazelibrarian.ctmh.com, close to my heart.com, if you want more information about being a customer or a consultant. Or if you'd like me to make you a card, let me know. I'd be happy to do that, and I can give you all the information, and just get in touch. Thank you so much for joining me for my very first Facebook Live, and I will be posting tutorials on card making and other projects that I get into, and I'll post advance notice so you can see them live and maybe even help me create the cards. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful Sunday evening.